kamo naman ni blast ko.
Wala na.
Hi. Ano siya ba ila? Saan? Oil paper? Ah? 7-Eleven ka napalit, anak? 7-Eleven? Sige.
So balance pa rin ang inflation na yun natin. Alright, diba? Increase sa everything. So ang inflation niya was collected. A bill was issued to them for so balance.
Tapos pag
is
decrease, yeah, ana.
mao nang imong ginakuanan. Pag inana mang good good kay di-acquire na sa
Orange, perfect sa quiz. Yay! Uy, asa na ito? Oras mo nagsingin ko.
Work on that. What do you feel when you try something new? That's it for all. In your philosophy.
He studies pure philosophy and all. Pure philosophy, or which is known as philosophy of the blend between a dualist idea. Is the person experience an inability to feel and survive. The mind dilemma is a categorized into two sections. We are related to this study, which alters the study which itself is the mind.
Yes, miss. Ah? Na, kikit ay kita na ako.
Wait lang, bakit yung nosy?
Ito siya.
Gusto sa mo.
Kulang.
Kani Ilocano, Luzon, kani Visayas, so nasa Mindanao, ako
Achievers siya sa grade 1. I think
Sir Joy,
Ano po ang mga kuan? Hindi ka man nagkita may sa atong birthday sa amo.
Walking Jilan.
How are you guys? So let's do a bit of Q&A. So right now we're doing PatFit. So what did you get for 1 kilometer endurance walk?
Excellent. Unsa ang ako ang
Endurance.
excellent?
Okay, mine is excellent. So broad jump. Can't relate.
Uy, sa push up.
Ay na ba youth mag-resume
Ako kay wala akong kabalo. Kay amin ako mag-delete na kuwaon tong code.
So Reina, let's do a bit of Q&A. So how do you feel after finding out your results?
I feel embarrassed. I expected too much. What part of our exercise is the hardest for you?
The plank test. I was pushing myself through my limits to the point that it put me into much pressure where I literally have to do it. Like just push myself forward. Nevertheless.
Sa ilista ang mga ano? I want you to meet Divina, the prettiest. Hi guys, I'm Divina. Are you famous? Oh my god guys, I'm classmate with the most famous Jillian from DSA 1 at LPU Davao. Guys, I so feel privileged to be Jillian's classmate. The one and only, the best. Oh, amazing! Dapat pag college, ganyan kayo ka-serious. Zalia! Hi, Zal! You know what? Sige kong vlog diri tapos dili na day gapon ni apelon ni Gina.
Don't worry, edit ko na.
Every aspect.
Go well round. Flat top.
Naga-voice over ako. Sometimes I have to ulit-ulit kasi craving cuddle and love and kisses. Alam niyo yung shifting, like manifestation, like astral projection? We have a new guest. Come here, come closer, Val. So, this is my classmate, Val. So, Val, how many accents or X's do you have?
I have like 3. How about you?
Pick a guess.
1. I know him. Hello guys. So, a day in the life as an LPU student.
And sa muscle niya diri and for the shoulder of the yes. So that's the difference between abduction and adduction. Refers to the movement of your leg.
Officer na po siya sa... Wala, mag-sir bato. Managad yung nag-sir bato.
What do we have for lunch? Sisig ni ate.
So we have a lost student from marketing who is now an accountancy student. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Rose.
He's a lost and found student.
Ikaw meron ko class? Ikaw ah. Chat tayo pa. Amo, ganun. Pag meron
Owner contributes her personal truck to the business. Asset increase, liability NE, while equity increase.
mga expense. So later, ipakita ko. So,
Ano sir? Number 7, 6 paid advertising expense, asset increase, liabilities NE, while equity decreases.
yeah, diba, paid advertising expense, lalo na na-expense sa
Have you seen my boyfriend? Yan po niya. Ito sa elevator.
Yeah. So what subject?
Understanding myself.
Sharing is caring.
Distribute the tasks well later. Please work with your grades, philosopher. What will happen is, philosopher is this one. You may start writing 8, 7, 6. Spelling wrong. Okay. 15, 14, 13. We have 2 groups who answered Aristotle. We have 1 who answered Kant. Let us check. I have it here. 15, 14, 13, 12. I gave a card. Okay? Give, right? Okay. They will not be able to answer later. 11, 10, 9. Let's check. Okay. Yay! 2 siblings raised in a very different environment or very different. Oh, let's check. Ooh, different answers. That's like 12, 11, 10. Okay. Saint Augustine. Okay? Then you get the bloody part. Okay, so. My God.
Bread that is seen, the bread that you mentioned, takas, it's not hurting you.
Yeah, it's from Bento. At the bottom part it has cream cheese.
Natala.
one can pick up your emotions. None. Kapag clouded ka, you cannot make a sound judgment. And the fancy is one way of unloading your emotions. Diba? Bakit tayo nakarating dyan? Hindi mo alam ka, hindi kayo mag-editan, but some just 1 year and you were controlled for 45 years.
8 years.
Give me 48. Because emotions and sentiments in the form of writing. Consider yes,